Hello friends, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, Ni Hao. Welcome to the YouTube channel everybody. This is Kritika. So without wasting our time, our today's topic is learning the values of trigonometric functions. So let's do it. Friends, we know that the trigonometry has 6 functions which are sine, cos, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Now we are going to find the values of these 6 trigonometric functions in first quadrant on 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now we are going to use a little trick which will going to help us to find the values of these 6 trigonometric functions. Write whole root of 0 by 4 under 0 degree, whole root of 1 by 4 under 30 degree, whole root of 2 by 4 under 45 degree, whole root of 3 by 4 under 60 degree and whole root of 4 by 4 under 90 degree. Now whole root of 0 by 4 is 0, whole root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, whole root of 2 by 4 is 1 by root 2, whole root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 and whole root of 4 by 4 is 1. Now we are going to solve the values of first trigonometric function which is sine. Now sine 0 degree is 0 from here. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. We have find the values of sine function by using this little trick which we have used in our rough page. Now to find the function with cos function which is second trigonometric function, the values of this are cos 0 degree is 1. Now we are going to find the values of second trigonometric function which is cos. We will use the values of sine function. Sine 90 degree is 1. So value of cos 0 degree is 1. We will use the values of sine function in reverse for the find of cos function. Cos 30 degree is sine 60 degree yani root 3 by 2. Now the values of cos 45 degree is equal to value of sine 45 degree which is 1 by root 2. Now the value of cos 60 degree is equal to the value of sine 45 sine 30 degree which is 1 by 2. Now the value of cos 90 degree is equal to the value of sine 0 degree which is 0. Now we have find the values of sine and cos function. The next trigonometry function is tangent. Now the value of tangent 0 degree is sine by cos. We will use the sine and cos both function to find the values of tangent. We will divide sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree to find the value of tangent 0 degree which is 0 by 1 is 0. Now tan 30 degree is equal to sine 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree which is 1 by root 3. Now tangent 45 degree is equal to sine 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree which is equals to 1. Now the value of tangent 60 degree is equal to sine 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree is equals to root 3. Now the value of tangent 90 degree is equals to sine 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree which is infinity. Now the value of fourth function, trigonometric function, which is cosecant. Now the value of cosecant function are reverse of sine functions. Now for example, sine 0 degree is inverse of cosecant 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is equals to sine 0 degree is equals to 1 by cosecant 0 degree. It means cosecant 0 degree is equals to 1 by sine 0 degree. 1 by 0 is infinity. Cosecant 30 degree is 1 by 2, which is 2. Now cosecant 45 degree is 1 by sine 45 degree, which is root 2. Now cosecant 60 degree is equals to 1 by sine 60 degree, which is 2 by root 3. Now cosecant 90 degree is equals to 1 upon sine 90 degree, which is 1. Now as like this, secant function is fifth trigonometric function. Now we are going to find the values of secant trigonometric function. As we know, secant function is the inverse of cos function. Now secant 0 degree is equals to inverse of cos 0 degree, which is 1, and secant 30 degree is equals to 1 upon cos root 3 by 2, which is 2 by root 3, and secant 45 degree is equals to 1 upon cos 45 degree, which is root 2, and secant 60 degree is equals to cos 60 degree and its inverse, which is 2, and secant 90 degree is equals to inverse 1 upon cos 90 degree, which is infinity. Now our last trigonometric function is cotan. Like cosecant and secant, cotan is also the 1 upon tan. It means cotangent 0 degree is the value of 1 upon tangent 0 degree, which is infinity. Now cotangent 30 degree is equals to the tangent 30 degree, 1 upon tangent 30 degree, which is root 3. Now cotangent 45 degree is equals to 1 upon 45 degree of tangent, which is 1. Now cotangent 60 degree is equals to 1 upon tangent 60 degree, which is 1 upon root 3. And the last, cotangent 90 degree is equals to 1 upon tangent 90 degree, which is 0. So here we have find all the 6 trigonometric functions value. Okay friend, if you like the video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. See you again with a new useful video. Thank you. Bye bye.